Good morning, Atomians! Narinig niyo na ba yung salitang prosumer? Narinig niyo na ba yung salitang prosumer? Thank you. After hearing our CEO or our chairman's speech, do you consider yourself a prosumer? Yes, me too. I also consider myself a prosumer. And after hearing this product lecture for this afternoon, mas madadagdagan pa ang inyong confidence na talagang tayo bilang Atomians ay mga professional consumers. But before digging into our featured products for this afternoon, pag-usapan muna po natin ng kaunting-kaunti, ano nga ba talaga ang Atomy? Atomy is a distribution hub. Para siyang isang sari-sari store o shopping mall. Pero, unlike ordinary shopping mall, Atomy is a global online shopping mall. It has a wide range of products from health, beauty, personal care, life, or home, and food products. Our concept or our product's concept is called Mastige, which means mass or the target consumers, tayo po yon. And of course, the word tige comes from the word prestige, which is our product quality. Nang ibig sabihin, regardless of the age, regardless of our gender, our nationality, and even the status in life, we are all able to enjoy the beautiful products that we have here in Atomy. Our company also stays true to its promise of giving us wonderful products with absolute quality and absolute price. So this afternoon, I'm tasked to do the product presentation. My name is Joan Balaoro, Diamond Master from Antipolo, Masangkay Center. Before we get through to our featured products for this afternoon, pag-usapan po muna natin ang isa sa pinaka-importanting produkto na meron ng Atomy. It so happened na ito rin po ang ating flagship products. And because of this product, Atomy was founded in 2009. And this product is called Hemohim. It is developed by Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute and manufactured by Colmar B&H. It is individually certified Type 1 health functional food. Let's linger a little about the terminology health functional food. Unlike ordinary food supplements na ang kayang gawin sa ating mga katawan ay magkaroon ng nutritional ng nourishment sa ating mga katawan, a health functional food like Hemohim does something good to our body. And one benefit of Hemohim is to awaken the power of our tired cells. It also eradicates yung mga free radicals. This product also enables our body to regenerate our cells and of course, produce and balance the production of our blood cells. With that to say, Hemohim sales have been consistently ranked first in the same category among the industry for 7 consecutive years in Korea. Palakpakan naman po natin yan. So why should we take Hemohim? When Hemohim or when our exhausted immunocytes are awakened, that is equivalent to healthy immune system. So who's to take Hemohim? Athletes, homemakers, employees, students, seniors, find your category. None less to say na lahat po tayo, almost lahat tayo ay kailangan ng Hemohim. Tama po ba? Yes. So the next set of products that we're going to talk about is also one of our best-selling product, which is the Absolute Cell Active Skincare. Being first in the skincare industry to use the de-aging technology, we or this set of product is awarded or received the King Sejong Award. King Sejong Award is the highest honor in the cosmetic industry. The first businessman award for patented technology. Aside from that, this set of skincare also received the IR52 Jang Young-sil Award, which is given to South Korean companies who have the top-notch technology when it comes to marketing or production. Okay, technology and production. And of course, it also received the new excellent product certification. Grabe, having this triple crown only proves that the highest level of technical confidence is really in this set of products. And that makes us proud to be Atomians. Ang susunod na ating featured product ay talagang nakakakilig. Tama po ba? Yes. Dahil coffee is life, kaya siniguro ng Atomy na talagang nakakakilig sa sobrang sarap ng ating Atomy Coffee Series. Who among us here ay nagtitimpla ng kape 5 beses isang araw? Nako! It really proves na talagang marami ditong Atomy Coffee addicts. Di ba? Okay. So, bago ang lahat, pag-usapan po muna natin ang tungkol sa mga coffee beans because there are several types of coffee beans out in the market. One is Excelsa. Ito po yung tipo ng mga beans or coffee beans na medyo meron siyang sour, sweet taste. It is strong, pero it isn't as flavorful compared to Arabica. The next one is yung kamag-anak naman niya, yung Liberica beans. Liberica beans are grown in Southeast Asia at meron din po niyan dito sa Pilipinas. If you are aware of this kaping barako, ito po yung variant niya. So it has this strong taste, pero hindi po siya kasing ganda pa rin ng Arabica beans. And just similarly with this Excelsa and Liberica, Robusta also has this very strong taste. Kaya lang, mataas ang kanyang acidity level. On the other hand, Arabica beans are known to have this smooth, chocolatey taste na talaga namang gustong-gusto ng lahat. Being famous in the coffee bean industry, it is so-called the queen of coffee beans. Some variants are known as Brazil Santos, Kenya AA, Jamaica Blue Mountains, and many other variants. This coffee bean is beloved among coffee lovers all over the world. Let's talk a little about Arabica coffee. Arabica beans are by far the most popular type of coffee. Coffee beans making up about 60% of the world's coffee. These tasty beans originated many centuries ago in the highlands of Ethiopia and may even be the first coffee beans ever consumed. And because Arabica beans is a little harder to grow, kaya mas mahal po siya sa ordinaryong mga beans compare po dun sa ibang beans na napag-usapan po natin sa kanina. Arabica beans are grown in the so-called bean belt, an area between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. O hindi po yan yung mga zodiac sign, ano po? Yung mga gamagaling. Dito po yung mga bansa in yung Mexico, Brazil, Colombia, some part of China, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and throughout the Bahamas. Okay? So, Arabica coffee beans are very sensitive, kaya mahirap po siyang palaguin basta-basta. So, kailangan po siyang maitanim sa mas mataas na parte or mas mataas na lugar. Dahil maliliit lang po yung mga trees po niya, no? So, it only measures about 8 to 15 feet when fully grown. Kaya naman suspectable po itong mga ganitong klase ng plant or coffee plant na magkaroon ng mga plant diseases. Okay? Being a very, very well-known and of course considered the tastiest coffee or flavorful coffee, most gourmet coffee brands and even the famous coffee shops advertise that they use 100% Arabica beans. Bakit? Because Arabica coffee beans are considered the most high-quality variety. They're known for their smooth, complex flavor and distinct lack of bitterness. Yan. So if you are the type of coffee lover na gusto po yung medyo may bittersweet and creamy flavor, then we got you with our 3-in-1 Cafe Arabica Mix. Available in 2 variants. Yung isa po ay nasa 50 sticks box and the other one is available in the 200 sticks box. So of course, hindi tayo magpapahuli doon sa mga malalaking coffee shop na yan. Our Coffee Arabica includes Cafe Arabica, of course, the coffee bean, and the natural casein. So let's talk a little about natural casein kasi this plays an important role para maging napaka-flavorful ng ating Cafe Arabica. Okay? What we can see on our screen is a simple illustration of a regular milk, a skim milk, and when to obtain the casein or yung tinatawag natin na protein casein. Ang regular milk contains fat, lactose, and protein. So, ito po yon. Ay, sorry. Ay, nawala ko. Nawala ko yung screen. Anyway, so, yung fats po na yan, yung milk fat is okay. Pwedeng-pwede po yan. Kaya lang, over time of consuming the milk fat, pwede po itong makakos or makapagtaas po ng ating cholesterol level. And of course, pag mataas na po ang cholesterol level, we know the danger, the risk of having heart attack, and of course, yung magkaroon po tayo ng stroke. Tama po ba? So when fat is removed from the regular milk, nagiging skimmed milk na po siya. So kung ano man po yung natira ay ang lactose and then ang protein. But for everybody to know, lactose is also called milk sugar. Alam po ba natin yon? Okay? Lactose is good when our body is able to absorb it dito sa atin pong mga intestine and of course, convert it into glucose and that glucose can be converted into energy. But what if we are lactose intolerant? So, hindi po natin ma-absorb masyado or hindi po kaya ng ating system na i-absorb ang lactose. So, kino-convert po ngayon itong lactose na to, kino-convert po ng katawan natin or ng intestine natin ang lactose into acid that will eventually lead us to having heartburn and many other diseases. So, when lactose is removed from the skim milk, what left is the protein or yung tinatawag po natin na casein protein. This provides the body with all of the amino acids necessary to help build muscle. Casein protein is digested more slowly than other proteins, so it might be better at reducing appetite and increasing feelings of fullness and giving us lots of energy. Yun pala ang dahilan kung bakit kapag tayo ay uminom ng Cafe Arabica, feeling natin tayo si Papay. Yan. So it's just very easy to enjoy our Cafe Arabica. Buksan ang sachet na yan, ilagay sa cup, pour 100 ml of hot water, still until dissolved, and just enjoy 5 times a day. May nakaka 10 times a day ba? Ha? Talaga yan, ma'am, 10 times a day? Nako, kailangan ka po mambigyan ng ano. So if you are not the person or coffee lover na gusto yung may cream, Then we got you with our Cafe Arabica Black. Okay? So yung gusto, yung parang brusko ang dating ng ating kape. Sobrang matapang. Okay? So we got you with our Cafe Arabica Black. It uses 100% Arabica coffee. Siyempre, may savory, sweet taste yan dahil pinagsama yung Brazil coffee and Colombia's fine coffee powder. Malalasahan po natin yung richness and mildness at the same time ng ating Cafe Arabica Black. And alam nyo ba, it's so amazing kung bakit nakikip niya yung freshness o yung lasa ng ating Cafe Arabica dahil yung packaging process natin is called MA process with nitrogen. Once na inilagay po yung ating coffee powder dun sa kanyang sachet, dinadagdagan po ng high grade or food grade nitrogen. So inilalak po yon. Kaya it stays longer, nakikip po yung lasa niya at talaga namang daig pa natin ang nag-letter S box. Okay o? Yan. So this is just a simple comparison ng Arabica beans and Robusta. Hindi na po natin masyadong pag-uusapan. Okay? So Cafe Arabica Black has rich and sweet tasting coffee with chocolatey taste. So here is, ito po yung parang pinaka-blend natin. 13% roasted coffee from Colombia and the 87% is the coffee from Brazil. Bakit po kailangang may 13% at mayroong 87%? Eh di po ba sabi 100% nga? Okay, but it's purely Arabica pa din naman. It's just that the 13% content comes from Colombia. Kasi kailangan daw sa isang masarap na coffee ay meron siyang sour and sweet taste bago i-add yung talagang buong lasa ng kape. Okay po? So you have to remember that 13% of our coffee comes from Colombia and the 87% comes from Brazil. Ayan. So the next product featured ay nakakakilig din. Nakakakilig naman sa tamis at nakakakilig naman sa sobrang pagka-proud natin dahil Atomy Organic Coconut Sugar is Atomy Philippines GSGS. Palakpakan po natin yan, or what we call the Global Sourcing Global Sales ng Atomy Philippines. Ayan. Philippines is abundant in coconut. Sabi nga ng PSA or ng Philippines Statistics Authority that yung atin pong land area here in the Philippines, 3.6 million hectares. Ganun po kalaki ang ating plantation ng coconut. 68 out of the total 81 provinces po natin ay may tanim po tayo na coconut tree. Coconut is also called the tree of life dahil halos lahat ng party po ng coconut tree ay merong gamit and one of which is the cocoa sugar. So why cocoa sugar? Dahil ito po ay isang natural na parang asukal or pangpatamis po natin. Alternative po natin doon sa nakasanayan natin na cane sugar. Because it basically comes from the coconut palm sap. Ito po pala, dito pala nagsisirculate yung sugary fluid ng isang coconut plant. So the end product is brown and granulated. The color is similar to that of the raw sugar. It's just that mas maliit po yung particle size niya. So kung nakagamit na po kayo ng ating Atomy Cocoa Sugar, you would notice na parang medyo powder siya. Tama po ba? Okay. So, why Atomy Organic Coconut Sugar? Of course, organic nga po no? This is really an evident na ang atin pong coconut sugar ay talagang hindi ginamitan ng kahit na anong chemical. In the farming system, inavoid talaga ng mga farmers na gumamit ng mga synthetic chemicals, pesticide, fertilizers, wala po talaga yan. And they don't even use genetically modified organisms or yung GMOs, yung mga pampalaki. pampabilis, pampalaki ng mga tanim. So, wala pong ganon ang ating Atomy Organic Coconut Sugar. So, these are the certifications given to our coconut sugar. Ayan. Okay po. So, another benefit of our Atomy Coconut Sugar is the low glycemic index. Kanina po, meron po tayong ad po dito, no? So, 35 glycemic index is the safest glycemic index for those who have diabetes. Okay? So, low glycemic index foods are recommended for proper control and management of diabetes mellitus, cardiovascular diseases, doon po sa may mga mahinang puso or may sakit sa puso, and of course, in the maintenance of weight, because it can reduce postprandial blood glucose and insulin. Kaya po pala siyang makatulong. Ano po? And improve the overall blood glucose and lipid concentrations. Okay? So, this is an illustration kung paano po kababa or kung gaano po kababa at kasafe ang ating Atomy Coconut Sugar. Okay? So, here we go. The gray one, yun po yung glycemic index level ng honey, 60. The maple syrup is 50. And of course, yung ating pong coconut sugar only has 35. Okay, meaning to say, very safe po itong gamiting alternative sweetener para po sa may mga taong diabetes at may mga problema po sa health. Okay? So this is our certification. Our cocoa sugar is locally made here in the Philippines. Kaya naman ito ay totoong nakakatulong sa ating coconut industry at nakakatulong po sa ating government. Okay po? Ayan. So we also are given the certification from halal and kosher. Ayan. Ano nga ba yung kosher? Ni-research ko po siya. Hindi ko din po yan alam nung una. Halal is for our Muslim brothers and sisters. Tama po ba? Kosher, on the other hand, is a certification given to food that pass the Jewish diet. Okay? So meaning to say, kahit po yung mga Jewish, pwede po silang kumain nitong ating cocoa sugar. Yan. So, aside from that, nawala siya. Okay, aside from that, yung pong ating cocoa sugar is accepted globally. Yung certification po na ito, okay, nawala po dito yung ano. So it has the balik po ako dun sa ano na yan, 5K kosher certification. Aside from it passed the Jewish diet, another thing is that when a product is given this certificate, ang ibig pong sabihin, ang produkto na yan ay accepted globally. Meaning, aasahan po natin in the months to come and in the years to come na ang ating pong Atomy Cocoa Sugar ay nasa lahat na po ng branches ng Atomy sa buong mundo. Okay? So, ways to enjoy Atomy Organic Sugar. Of course, pwede po natin itong pamalit sa ating table sugar na napakataas ng glycemic index. Pwede din po itong gamitin sa coffee, juices, baking, cooking, and many, many other. And one thing that I really love about Atomy Cocoa Sugar is that this is an outcome of a quest for a locally made product that can be used as a healthy alternative by people of all backgrounds and lifestyle. In addition to that, supporting this product is tantamount to supporting coconut farmers of the Philippines. Kaya para pong when we purchase a pouch of cocoa sugar, we are able to help our local farmers here in the Philippines. So, it's nice to say that it's a purchase with a purpose. Okay? So, before I end, I just want to remind everyone that here in Atomy, we can be money rich, we can be friend rich, but I want to remind everybody that above all things, it's very important to be spiritually rich. Not all of us here in Atomy are destined to become an imperial master. Tama po ba? But kahit saan po tayo dalhin ng ating Panginoon, whatever status that the Lord will give us in our journey here in Atomy, what important is we are blessed. Because the real blessing is that we are able to bless other people. Kahit hindi pa man po tayo ganun ka money rich, we can always be spiritually rich. So let's make a mission sharing our Atomy products because I do believe na mga produkto natin ay binigay ng ating Panginoon to help many people around us. Maraming salamat po. Ako po uli si Joan Balaoro, Diamond Master from Antipolo, Masangkay Center.